Well, I've got to say, I am confused. Now that we're home, I've just switched this back on again and run it around on the floor here, and it's absolutely fine. And yet when we were outside, it just wouldn't perform. So I've no idea what's wrong with it. I'm going to have to take it apart, do a tear down and have a look. But I'll just run it around on the floor here so we can actually film it. Whoops. Yeah, that'll do. You may notice the steering has very little effect because we've got virtually nothing on the ground with those little knobbly lumps on the tyres, and they're hard plastic anyway, so it tends to spend a lot of time going forwards when it should be turning. I think the short wheelbase has that effect as well, because the back wheels are trying to go straight. The fact the front wheels are turning with those tiny little knobbles on them, it just goes straight on. I wonder if I can demonstrate. If we give it full left. Full left, full forwards. Yeah. Oh, that's the telephone ringing. Yeah, so on a smooth surface like this, you've got virtually no steering anyway. But that still doesn't understand. That still doesn't explain why it was performing so badly when we were out. I still think I'll have to go for a 3S battery, because as I say, I think it had at least 6 AA batteries, so that'd be 9 volts. So if I'm running it on a 2S at 7.5 volts, then it's well underpowered. So we'll do a teardown, have a look, and probably upgrade it to 3S. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.